Here's how you use the word count calculator that is in Google Classroom to figure out how many words you need to write for your assignment. So this calculator's got all of the 8 different parts to it, and each little part tells you how many words you need in each section. Now, when you first start entering numbers and you enter numbers into this blue part, you'll notice that nothing happens. So I enter 40, nothing's going to happen at all. And that's because you need to turn the calculator on. So here's how you do that. You click to turn on, or click to turn calculator on. And when you do that, it's going to run a script. You got to be patient and wait just a second or two. And then it's going to ask you to authorize permissions. So I'll hit continue. Then I'll click my email. Then I'm going to scroll down just a little bit in a second here. And I'm going to click allow. So now the calculator is turned on. So now when I enter a number in here, let's say I enter 25, it's going to automatically calculate the percentage of the words that I needed as opposed to the words that I made. So it's only 42% of the words required for this section are in this cell. So I need to write more words. So the way I figure out how many words I've written on your template, like this, what you do is, let's say I've got this part here for government. All you have to do is highlight the words that you've wrote, okay? So highlight these words, then I go to Tools, then I go to Word Count. And it tells me right here that the words are 44. There's already 103 words on this page, so I've written 44 of the words. So 44 is the number that I need to care about. I can also click this button, and that'll display my word count right down there. So then it's really easy. I can just go like right there. There are 3 words. Here there are 44 words. So then I take that 44 and I put it here. So that gives me about 73%. So going down as you go and you do more, like if let's say I do 40 words here, 31 words here, 19 words here, 41 words here, 18 words here, 28 words here, and 26 here, then the total would be a 77%. So that would be the score that I would get for the amount of words that I wrote, that may be okay for you, or you might be like, all right, economic and cultural indicators, I need to do more. So you add more sentences, you add more stuff, and let's say you get that up to 42 words. So then that'll up my percentage to 84. So this tells you how many words you need to write. It helps you figure out how many words you need to write to make sure that your entire assignment is good. And when this number here, this bottom 84%, when this number is acceptable for you, then you have written enough. So easy stuff. Good luck.